as I said, the carbon content improves the structure of the soil, which is super important. Also, when thinking about soil remediation, there are so many depleted soils in this world now because of agriculture over years and years of intensive agricultural use. And bringing biochar into that can really help restore the soil, adds carbon content to the soil, promotes water nutrient retention, microbial life, even, which is very important in creating healthy soil. And it can add nutrients. So that means that farmers can cut back on that fertilizer bill